In this video, I will demonstrate how to multiply fractions using this chocolate bar. But I have to work quickly because my chocolate bar will melt. I ate some of my chocolate bar, so let's use what's left over to multiply 4/5 times 2/3. We'll start by creating a grid that follows the divisions on the chocolate bar. This chocolate bar is divided into fifths and thirds, which are the denominators. Here are fifths. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 equal pieces. So let's label them. And here are thirds. 1, 2, 3 equal pieces. So let's label them. We notice that our chocolate bar is divided into 15 little equal pieces, or 5 times 3, or denominator times denominator equals 15 little pieces. So let's take 4/5 of our bar, keeping in mind that each of these sections is 1/5. Now we have our 4/5 piece, or 1, 2, 3, 4 out of 5 pieces. Now let's take 2/3 of this 4/5 piece. Notice the 4/5 piece is divided into thirds, going this way. 1, 2, 3. It is also helpful to keep in mind that of in math means multiply. So taking 2/3 of this 4/5 piece leaves us with 8 pieces, or 4 times 2, numerator times numerator. 4 times 2 equals 8 pieces. So the answer to 4/5 times 2/3 is 4 times 2, or numerator times numerator equals 8, over 5 times 3, or denominator times denominator equals 15. 8/15. After eating all your chocolate, you can still multiply fractions visually by drawing chocolate bars with colored pencils. To demonstrate, we will again multiply 4/5 times 2/3. First, we'll create thirds, then fifths, then we'll label them. Next, we'll color in 2/3 in red. And now 4/5 in green. Now we ask, how many boxes are filled in red and green at the same time? Well, 4 times 2, or numerator times numerator, equals 8. Out of how many boxes total? Well, 5 times 3, or denominator times denominator, 15. And so the answer to 4/5 times 2/3 is 8/15.